Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this video, we will learn how to collect form data, send it to the server using AJAX, and save it into a database using WebMethod. This lesson walks you through designing a data entry form, validating it on the client side, and saving the data into a SQL table, all using AJAX. Here is the users table we will use. It includes full name, email, and age columns, standard user details to capture via form. This is our front-end form. We are using plain HTML inputs with an AJAX triggering button. The result will be shown in the message div. Before we make the AJAX call, validate that all fields are filled. This avoids unnecessary server requests. This AJAX call sends the form data as JSON to the web method named insertUser. It shows success or error messages based on the response. This web method connects to SQL Server, inserts the user details using parameterized queries, and returns a confirmation message. Make sure your web.config file includes the right connection string named myConnection, pointing to your SQL Server database. To summarize the process, validate, send via AJAX, insert via WebMethod, and respond with real-time confirmation, all without a page reload. Check these common problems if things don't work, especially WebMethod declaration, JSON structure, and script manager settings. For production, always secure your code, avoid SQL injection, catch exceptions, and give users meaningful feedback. AJAX with web methods lets you build interactive data entry forms with a seamless user experience, simple, powerful, and production ready. Next, we will build an AJAX-enabled grid view that shows saved records with the options for sorting, paging, searching, and even editing in models. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more practical ASP.NET tutorials.